Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate basically is a hydrates of carbon. It's a basically hydrate of carbon having the formula of CN, H2N and ON. But some exception is there like lactic acid and acetic acid, which can satisfy this formula but not carbohydrate in nature. But in other words, that is the deoxyribose, that is the important sugar of the DNA, having one less oxygen than the ribose, having the nature of the carbohydrate but does not satisfy the formula of CN, H2N and ON. So now the modern definition, it's a aldehyde or it's a polyaldehyde ketone or compound which can produce them on hydrolysis. Really, this is the definition of the carbohydrate. Now we are going to the classification of carbohydrate. There is a basically four types of the carbohydrate, that is the simple or monocarbohydrate, dicarbohydrate, oligocarbohydrate and polycarbohydrate or polysaccharide. That is also known as the monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide is a simple carbohydrate that is made up of the single unit of the sugar, and this is also classified on the basis of number of carbon and functional group. On the basis of number of carbon is it again classified into the triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, heptose, and on the basis of the functional group it is also classified in a two form, that is the aldehyde and ketonic group. It is also known as the aldoses and ketoses. For examples of triose means 3 carbon, tetrose means 4 carbon, pentose means 5 carbon, hexose means 6 carbon and heptose means 7 carbon. The examples of 3 carbon is the glyceraldehyde, phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and the ketonic group dihydroxyacetone. Then tetroses, that is the erythrose, and erythrulose. Then that is the 5 carbon is ribose and ribulose. Then hexose, this is the glucose and fructose. The example of heptose, that is the glycoheptose and pseudoheptose. These all are the classification of the monosaccharides, and it can satisfy the test of MBBS, mnemonic MBBS, that is the Moles test, Bendix test, Barford test, and Shannon test. This is all about for the carbohydrate, monosaccharide test, reducing sugar test, and for the other group of the test. Then second one is the disaccharides, which is made up of 2 sugar units. For examples, lactose, it again classified in a 2 form, that is the reducing and non-reducing. Examples of reducing sugar, that is the lactose and maltose, and the non-reducing is sucrose. It is made up of galactosidase and glucose by the linkage of glycosidic bond, and the sucrose is made up of the alpha 1 and beta 1 glucose and fructose. It is non-reducing sugar because it having the C1 and C2 glycosidic linkage between the first molecules of carbon and second molecules of the carbons, because it due to that it cannot provide the osazone formation, because the osazone structure is occur near about the C1 and C2 carbon atoms, so that sucrose cannot provide the osazone formation, but lactose can provide the powder puff forms of osazone formation, where maltose provide the petal shape, and other one like the sucrose, mannose and glucose provide the needle shape of the osazone structures. So these all are about the mono and disaccharide, and our next video we will discuss about the oligo and polysaccharide. Thanks you.